How to check Valorant store on mobile. First things first is open up your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. And you'll have to download this application called Vulking.gg-tracker. But if you go directly to the search bar and typing in Valorant Store, you wouldn't be able to see it. But instead, just simply choose this application right here. Now, once you have downloaded this app and install it successfully, just simply open it up, and in here you'll have to register your current player ID. Now once you have registered your player ID, you are not only be trying to access Valorant stores, but you will also have access to your current Valorant standings or your Valorant points and so on and so forth. So again, just download the application called Vulking.gg tracker, register your Valorant player ID, and you should be able to access the Valorant store as well as your current standing on your points. So that's it. That's how you check your Valorant store on mobile.